Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make 3 totally weird salsas that are also totally delicious. These salsas are all totally non-traditional, but they're also super tasty. People always love them. They're skeptical, but once they dig in, they love these salsas. We're making a fennel cucumber avocado salsa, a blueberry and red bell pepper salsa, and a strawberry salsa. And we'll start right here with the blueberry red bell pepper. You'll need about 3 cups of blueberries, and you want to use fresh blueberries for this, not frozen, so it's good to do this when blueberries are in season and on sale. You'll want to roughly chop them. It's okay if you miss some. Some will be whole and some will be chopped. We actually are trying for that variation. And then you'll want to slide all of these into a bowl and continue until you've roughly chopped all 3 cups. Next, seed and dice 2 red bell peppers, and I just cut them off the side so I can remove the core here with all the seeds, and slice them into strips and dice them up. And then get that into the bowl with the blueberries, and it helps if you dice them pretty small. Mince half a red onion, add some heat by mincing 1 to 2 jalapenos, and get those in the bowl as well. The great thing about salsas is they are super easy to make, and it's really just chop stuff up, put it in a bowl, and stir it together. The last thing to chop up is some fresh cilantro. It wouldn't be salsa without cilantro. And get that in the bowl as well. Last, add in 1 freshly squeezed lemon. So you want the juice from 1 lemon, which is about 1/4 cup. Half a teaspoon of salt. And that's it. Stir it together. As it sits, the flavors will meld together, and this stays good for about 72 hours, but it really is best if eaten within 24 hours. Let's give this a try. I could seriously eat this all day, but let's move on to our next salsa. We'll keep with the berry theme and make our strawberry salsa next. So you'll want to first dice up some strawberries, and it's a little weird to dice strawberries, but dice them up into little tiny salsa-like pieces first. It helps if you place the strawberry upside down and slice it one way, and then the other, and then as you slice off each layer, dice that. You need about 3/4 to 1 cup of diced strawberry. Then you'll dice 1 fresh tomato as well. Everything with salsa making either requires a small dice or a mince. With super strong flavors, you want to mince. So right now I'm mincing up 1/4 of a red onion. And then I'm mincing a little bit of jalapeno. I'm only doing about 1/4 of a jalapeno, but you can always adjust this to suit your own personal heat tolerance. And get that in our little bowl with the strawberry and tomato. Then you'll need about 1/3 cup of freshly chopped cilantro, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and last we'll need the juice from 1 lime. Pour that in and give this a toss. I love the sweetness of the strawberry, how it combines with the tomato, the jalapeno, the cilantro. This is so tasty. And I've saved the weirdest one for last. We'll start with the fennel. You'll want to just trim off the end there, and then you'll want to remove the bulb from the stems. We're just going to use the bulb for this, so cut it off at the point where those stems meet the bulb. And then you'll want to dice the bulb up nice and small and get that into a bowl. Slice and dice 1 cucumber into small little pieces. Add that into the bowl with the fennel, along with half of a minced red onion and some chopped cilantro. Last, we're gonna dice up 2 avocados, so we'll get that open, remove the seed, use a spoon or a butter knife to scoop out the flesh, and dice your avocado. Add that avocado gently into your bowl, and then pour in the juice from 2 limes, and last of all, half a teaspoon of salt, and gently stir this all together. Now this might upset some people, but this salsa is better with a little bit of added sweetness. So I like to add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of either sugar or honey. and stir that in as well. Now I know this one is the weirdest, but I tell you what, this one is also my favorite, and it tends to be the crowd favorite as well. So you definitely want to try this one. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.